Today we will present the beginner's method for solving the 3x3 cube. Let's get started. Step 1. The yellow cross. First, we look for the yellow center and direct it towards us. At this step, there is no algorithm. All you need to know is that orange is opposite to red and blue to green. The rest requires a lot of practice. Oh, and if it doesn't work in a maximum of 6 moves, a move can also be a double, then you haven't done it efficiently. Step 2. The yellow corners. The next step is to place the corners and finish the first important step, which is to make the yellow face. Here, we need to know that the corners should be on the third layer, which is the last one. Always make sure to place the corner in the correct position, and if it is in the correct position but twisted, it needs to be taken out to the last layer and placed back as shown in the video. Here, you only place 2 corners. Step 3. The middle edges. This is the longest step, but also the easiest. We look for the edges in the third layer, the ones with 2 colors that do not contain white. Now we see that it should match the color of the center. Then it will automatically go either to the right or the left. If it is on the left, we move it to the right, and if it is on the right, we move it to the left. Immediately after making this move, we do a set of several moves. It differs if it's on the left or right. We do up, right, down, left if it's on the left side, and if it's on the right, we do up, left, down, right. Exception. The exception is when the edge is in the correct position but reversed. In that case, we insert a piece with white into that spot, and now we have it in the third layer. Step 4. The white cross. Now we move on to the last layer. Here we have 4 cases. 1. The dot, 2. An L, 3. A line, 4. The cross. For all of them, we do the same step, except for the cross. We turn the front layer to one side and do the same step as in step 5. Note, we position the L with the opening facing up left, and the line is placed horizontally. Step 5. The correct white cross. Now we finish the cross. Here we have 3 more cases. We rotate the third layer until 2 edges align one after the other. In this case, we place them at the back right and perform the following set of moves. Up, left, down, left, up, left, twice. Another case is when we have 2 opposite edges, not adjacent ones. If we have this case, we perform the same set of moves again and will arrive at the earlier case. Step 6. Moving the corners. Next, we check if any corner is in the correct position, and if so, we place it on the left side and perform the following set of moves. Right side up, right, left side up, left, down, right, down. Repeat this until all the corners are in the correct position. If no corner is in the correct position, perform the cross again as in step 7 until we have a corner. Step 7. Twisting the corners. Now that all the corners are in place, turn the cube with the yellow face up. For each twisted corner, perform the same set of moves, up, left, down, right, repeating until the white corner is solved, meaning the white face is down. Move the corner to the same position as the previous one by only rotating the bottom layer. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. And don't forget to follow us at WizardCube01 on Instagram and YouTube for more Rubik's Cube videos. Bye!